Hello, welcome to Yoganand Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the shot in PowerDirector 365. Basically, we can create the videos like 16 by 9, which is this shape. Most of the time people are using this shape. But if you want to convert this into a shot and put it as a 60 seconds or 30 seconds shot, it is very easy to convert. So I will teach you on that. Just drag and drop this into the timeline. So basically this is at the moment it is on 16 by 9, but you have to decide which part of the video that you wanted to show in your video when you uploading as a shot. So change this resolution to 9 by 16. So that is that we use it for shot. So once you change it to 9 by 16, you will see the video becomes a very small video. So what you have to do is just extract this like this. You can then position in your video which part of the video that you wanted to cover in a shot. For example, for this video, I want to cover this all the time when the video is running. See, if you want to, let me go back all the way in here. Let me play the video. See, my objective is to show this temple in my shot. So if you want to add another video to this, you can add another video, and you have to decide which object that you wanted to convert into shot, and then you have to adjust the video. Like let's say if you want to show this boat as a target, so you can just move this, and now if I play the video, so you will see slowly the boat coming into the picture. So that will become the object. But if you want to show a particular object that all the time in your shot, so you have to focus on that. So let's say you select this one. Either you focus on this object or you can focus on any other object. Let's say if you want to focus on this object as well, but you cannot drag too much so that you will see a blank video. Hope you guys understand. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and give me a like and give me a comment. Thank you.